Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install the Cloudstream application to your Android TV box without any issues. If you find the video helpful, please do not forget to drop a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're interested in more videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the App Store, so you can also add an other App Store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these App Stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like My VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like My TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. Now this is my Android TV box, and I'm going to be showing you the process. It's literally the same. Even if your Android TV box doesn't look the same, the process is the same. So what you do on your Android TV box is try to locate your Google. So on my Android TV box, I'll just go ahead and search for Google on the apps. And here is it. Oh, I've clicked something X. So I go over here and I search for Google. Here's Google. Now, if you don't know how to log into Google on your Android TV box, then in the description of this video, I've attached a link that's going to guide you log into Google. So log into Google because this is very important for the process of this video. So after you've logged into Google, all you have to do is to go over to the search box and search for the application we're interested in, which is the Cloudstream application. So I'm just going to type it right now. So Cloudstream. While I'm typing, I just want to see while browsing on the internet on your Android TV box or Android TV, it's always recommended to use a VPN to stay secure on the internet and also bypass a lot of stuff. So if you're looking for a VPN to use on your Android TV box or Android TV, in the description of this video, I've added a VPN that is recommended for you to use on your Android TV. So just check the description and check out the VPN and see how to get started with it. So the application we're looking for is Cloudstream app. So once you search Cloudstream in the suggestion, here is what we are looking for, Cloudstream app. So if you've logged into Google, here's what you're going to see. So as you can see on my screen, there are many options here already. So I can just go over here and browse through. Okay. So you see the first option is the APK of the application, which of course can still work. But I'm trying to figure out if there is an option. Anyway, if you don't see a Play Store option, then this option is going to be one of the best. Cloudstream for Android, this option is going to be the best. But for you to use this option, you have to log in to your Chrome. So here is it. Go over here, Cloudstream, and once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down a little bit to this option that says, okay, get the latest version of app. So please just go over here and click it once. Once you click this option, it's just going to take a little minute to load. This is not it yet, just wait for a minute. Or you cover here, this is an ad. Please don't click this, it's an ad. So all you have to do is just go over here and click this. Okay, and here's Classroom again. So once you're here, this is the install button. Good. So when it is downloading, all you have to do is go over here and click on this box once. Click here once, and the application is going to start downloading straight away. This type of file can harm your device. You want to keep crashing. Okay, anyway, so you just click OK and install the application to your Android TV. Once the application is done downloading, you can go ahead and install to your Android TV box without any issues. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.